been years, and the moment is finally here to honor the top 5 competitors. Our first runner-up is athlete number 41. So may I call on Sir Francis Faruden to award the certificate and the bottle.
The attention of Bantamweight Division, please proceed to put down the backstage.
Get ready, Sir Edward Manawan.
You award the third runner-up.
Third runner-up goes to athlete number 42. Get ready, Ma'am Liza. Second runner-up. For our second runner-up is athlete number 44. Get ready, Sir Renz Alimoro, for the full awarding first runner-up. And now, our first runner-up title goes to... Gentlemen, are you ready? Perhaps. First runner-up goes to athlete number 43. Get ready for the awarding of the champion. And our bikini category champion, no other than candidate number 45, Ms. Kaina Karil Makalingan from Fitness Work. Once again, let's give a round of applause to the winners. I proceed would like to thank the following: Sir Eduardo Balaban, Nelly Marquez, Alex Valenta, Team David by John Galedo, James